This video is brought to you by Skillshare. Can this laptop with some free DJ software compete with something like this? Let's find out by doing a quick DJ mix. So as you heard there, they pretty much sound the same. Whatever I could do on my $1,000 DJ controller, I could pretty much replicate on my cheap $350 2011 MacBook Pro. I am limited though to not being able to scratch, which is pretty obvious because this is a laptop, so there are no knobs, faders, or joggles on this thing. But I am capable though of syncing, blending music, activating effects, and essentially DJing without the need of those peripherals. And the best thing about it is that the software used on my laptop didn't cost me a single penny. It's literally free for download. So yeah guys, it's not what you have that matters, it's what you do with what you have that does. So let me teach you guys how you can utilize your laptop or controller to do this routine exactly like how I did it. And don't worry, all the songs I'm going to use in this tutorial are all available for download down below or right over here, and you can really support this channel by donating and downloading as you go. But before we proceed, let me announce that I'm doing another giveaway, and this week we're giving out a Pioneer DJ t-shirt. So if you want to win this super cool prize, all you guys gotta do are 3 simple things. Like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and leave a comment down below letting me know your thoughts on this video. Do you like it? Do you hate it? Do you want to see more? I don't know. Just let me know. The random winner will be announced at the end of next week's tutorial, so stay tuned for that. And with that said, let's begin. So the first thing I did when I made this routine was assess what features I had on this DJ software. And to be honest with you, those are pretty much the bare essentials such as syncing and blending in music. What I did have though is the ability to trigger cue points and play with the crossfader, and so I used that to my advantage and performed some offbeat phase mixing to create a cool build-up intro for this routine. To do the offbeat phase trick, first load the first song to deck 1 and deck 2, then play the first song. And when you reach an offbeat section like here, the pink cue point, play the next song. So let's do a simpler version of this part of the routine by triggering the first song's first beat 3 times, then at the first offbeat area of deck 1, let's trigger deck number 2. Now once you get this rhythm going, get a hold of your crossfader and get ready to drag it to the left side when the beat drops. Then as the beat proceeds, crossfade from left to right every time the beat plays for 2 beats, starting with the downbeat. Or just crossfade at every 3rd beat for 1 beat, and do this until you reach the purple cue point section. Now once you reach the purple cue point section, stop deck 2, bring the crossfader to the center, and load the next song. Then get ready to trigger cue point 1 of it once you reach the light blue cue point section over here. Now we proceed to the cue point drumming section of this routine. So the first thing you'll have to do is let the acapella play, then at the end of it, we're going to drum cue point 2 and 3 like this.
Start dancing, ho.
And that's the end of the drumming section. So let me demonstrate to you now the whole routine.
Start dancing, ho.
And that's it. At the end of the day, it's skills over gear that matter, and another way to better your skills to help your DJ career is through Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community with over 25,000 classes in graphic design, music production, songwriting, and a whole lot more. Their premium membership gives you unlimited access to high-quality classes on useful and engaging topics like making a website and marketing yourself better. It's honestly a great way to improve your skills and unlock new opportunities. I personally want to recommend Martin Vincent's class in music production on FL Studio. It's a perfect class to get started on learning how to make music of your own. So join the millions of students already learning on Skillshare with this very special offer just for my viewers. The first 500 people to click on my link down below will get 2 months of unlimited Skillshare for free. Yup, for free. So what are you waiting for? Click on that link and start learning today. So we've now reached the end of the video, and now it's time to announce the winner of last week's giveaway, and that winner is... So congratulations! Please send me your name, address, and phone number to this email over here, and I'll send the item right to you right away. Now for the people who didn't win, don't worry, don't cry. I'm doing more weekly giveaways, so stay tuned for that. And with that said, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you all in the next one. I definitely suggest you guys to first use whatever you have with you right now. So if that's your cell phone, if that's your laptop, then use that. But if you really want to get started in DJing, what's the best thing that you can buy? Definitely whatever you can afford. Use whatever that is to get you where you want to go. Remember, at the end of the day, it's not the equipment you use, it's how you use it. Be it a phone, a computer, or like a crappy controller.